Won't you kindly subscribe, like, comment, and go to the links down below. Today we're going to talk about what to do about moldy leather and how to prevent it and how is it caused. How it's caused is you have slightly moist leather kept in a moist environment or damp where there's a lot of moisture, and mold will form on it. So try to keep your leather in a dryish place. Try not to keep it in a plastic bag. That's what happened to these leather scales. And it was in a dark place in my workshop. So we can fix this. Alright, so you're gonna need white vinegar, spray bottle, a sponge, and water, and a 50-50 mixture. So pretty simple. Optional gloves, I kind of recommend it. So spray it, your sponge, and wipe it off. Super time lapse now.
But never a human. It's LARP. The weekend is over like a forbidden lover. It's LARP. And homeward you're driving, but inside you're crying. It's LARP. It's LARP. It's LARP. Elven and dwarven, but never a human. It's LARP. It's LARP. It's LARP. Elven and dwarven, but never a human. It's LARP. Elven and dwarven, but never a human.
How to prevent mold from getting on your gear. You know, after a rainy event, a damp event, how to make, your leather all nice and sparkly. So right now we're going to be using non-brand saddle soap. Not sponsored. And you can get kits of leather care. So it's pretty simple. So you try to, towel dry your leather as best as you can. Get all the dirt and damp stuff off. This is like a cleaner, softener, and conditioner, and also makes it leather-proof. So right now I'm using a paper towel. You can use like a really dry cloth. You can apply it with a dry cloth, and there's like a little brush to get it in there. Really work it in into the pores of the leather. So make it a little bit waterproof to, prevent the problem, so you can put your leather gear in a nice, safe place. Hopefully away from anywhere there's like an excess amount of moisture and it's dark. So that scale looking pretty nice now. So remember, stay hydrated and keep your leather nice and hydrated.